This time we're doing division. There's the standard. Use place value to understand properties of operations to perform multi-digit arithmetic. We are finding whole number quotients and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divisor. Using strategies based on place value, right? What we're doing is called partial quotients. I've seen it. They done multiple ways, but this just happens to be the way that I do it. So there's no, in my opinion, as long as you get the correct quotient or the correct answer, and it works every time, you should be fine. So here we go. We're dividing 3,678 by 5. So and in the thousands place, can we divide 3,678 by any number in the thousands place? And it's pretty obvious that the answer is no, because 1,000 times 5 or 1,000 times 5 would be 5,000. So that's just too big. Way too big. Then in the hundreds place, right? So now we're not just talking about the 3,000s. We're talking about the 3,600. Can we divide 36 by 5? And I believe you know what? Let's do. You should know your multiplications table by now. So the closest you can come to 36 when you multiply by 5 would be 35, and that would be 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. You subtract. That's now you're going into the tens. How many times does the can you divide 17 tens by 5? I believe that's 3 times. Three times, or 3 tens. This one here was 700s. 700s times 5 would be 3,500s. 3 tens times 5 would be 15 tens. A little out of line, but we get the gist of it. 17 tens minus 15 tens would be 20 tens. You bring down the 8 or the ones, 28 ones. How many times would the 5 go into 28? That would be 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Then you subtract 3. So our answer is 735 with a remainder of 3. 735 with a remainder of 3. Now let's do this one. Sometimes my line is too short, sometimes my line is too long. So here, thousands. Here's the hundreds. Here's the tens. And here's the ones. So it's all obvious that once again, if you multiply 9 times 1,000, that's way too big. So there's nothing that goes in the thousands place. Nine times 100. So this would be only 1. Because 100 times 9 is 900. And 10 minus 9 is 1. Then you bring down the 9. Now in the tens, how many times does how many tens can go into 190? Let me see. It'll be 2 tens. 2 tens. Because 2 times 9 is 18, or 2 tens times 9 is 18 tenths, or 180. Uh, 19 tenths minus 18 tenths, which is be 1 tenth, and you bring down the 3. 13 ones divided by 9. That's easy. That goes there only once. 1 times 9 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So a remainder 4. Remainder of 3. In order to make this go by faster, you should really know your multiplication/division table. Just makes your life a whole lot easier. I hope this helps for when I give you homework about dividing. But this is as hard as it gets in the 4th grade. It tells you in the standard whole number quotient and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divider. So 4-digit, and 1-digit divider, 1-digit divider. So 4th grade math does not get harder than this when it comes to division. I mean, later on we're going to do decimal division and fractions, but that's a different number. But when it comes to just regular arithmetic, this should be as hard as it gets. Or this is as hard as it gets for 4th grade. Okay, thank you. I hope it helped.